pull up anything about the brand, so I don't know anything about the brand.
Coachy load from in a Netherland. Where the grabbers think like Ali get up on the scheme.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's episode, another swatch book. So my co-stars for today are going to be Coloured Raine's Liquid Lippies. So let me tell you a little bit about the brand and then we could get into the swatches. Oh no baby, what is you doing? You think you was about to start the video without subscribing to the kid? Make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's somewhere down there. So on this side and this side, hit the subscribe button and let me know that you're part of the fam bam. Alright, so let's get into the video. So Coloured Raine was founded in 2013 by Lorraine, who longed for a cosmetic line that encouraged self-expression and diversity. Coloured Raine was created to be a standout cosmetic line to break all beauty barriers. Lorraine believes that makeup is a toy for grown-ups to be able to express themselves and how they feel. Yes. Coloured Raine's matte liquid lipsticks retail for $17, but you can always get them on HoteLook. I think when they're on HoteLook, there'll be like $13. And they're also available at, what's that store? If you're in like the NYC area, they also are sold at Ricky's. Let me get into the swatches and show you what these look like, and we'll chit chat after. Smart water. Hey y'all, so I'm back. What y'all think of the swatches? I really love this color. This is Ivy. I did run and do a couple of things first before I came back and shop. I wore this a little bit. I did eat, so it did hold up pretty well. I did reapply before I started recording, but it did hold up pretty well while I was eating. I don't have anything like any of these colors except for maybe Cherry Blossom. I have one from the Lip Bar, which is in another swatch video that I'm going to post. I don't know if I'm going to post it before this one or after this one, but I do have a side-by-side comparison of these two colors in that video. So if you check that video out, you'll see the comparison of those two. Brick House, I love this orange color. I didn't think I was going to like it that much. Soul, to me, is a great nude for deeper complexion. So if you're like me, I'm an NW50. So if you're NW45 and deeper, this is a really nice nude for you. Truffle Raine, she's telling me I need to go to the bodega and I need to be right. I love Coloured Raine's products. They are kind of on the pricey side, but the fact that they do have their products on HoteLook from time to time does make it worth it. This is one of my favorite red lipsticks to wear, so as soon as I see it on HoteLook, I'll buy a couple. So if you are not signed up for HoteLook, I suggest you sign up. Beauties, let me know what you think about these lipsticks. Which ones did you like? Which one were your fave? Which ones are you thinking about picking it up? I only have a couple of colors, but if y'all got some colors that y'all think I might like, let me know. Let the girls know. That's what we're here to do. Share with me.